In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reduce abandoned cart rates, Klaviyo. Abandoned carts happen when a visitor adds items to their cart, but does not complete checkout. In Klaviyo, one of the most effective ways to bring people back is to use an abandoned cart flow. This kind of flow automatically reaches out with timely messages, helping customers remember what they wanted and encouraging them to finish their purchase. To get started, open your Klaviyo account and navigate to the Flows section. On screen, you should look for the menu item labeled Flows. This is where Klaviyo manages automation that runs in response to customer actions. Once you are in Flows, the next step is to create a new automation. Click on Create Flow. If you are seeing multiple options, take a moment to confirm you are still on the flow creation page, because this is where you choose the template that will define the structure of your abandoned cart messaging. After you click Create Flow, you will be prompted to search for a starting point. In the search area, type Abandoned Cart. As you type, Klaviyo should show matching templates or flow options. This search is important because it saves you time. Instead of building everything from scratch, you begin with a proven flow structure designed specifically for cart abandonment. Now, review the results and select the standard template card. When you choose the standard template, you are opting for the default setup that Klaviyo expects most teams to start with. This generally includes the common timing and message structure for abandoned cart follow-ups, which means you can focus on customizing content rather than designing the flow logic. As soon as you select the standard template card, Klaviyo will typically load a new flow draft. At this stage, take a second to look at what the template provides. You should be able to see that the flow is already set up with the right triggers and message steps for abandoned carts. That way, the automation can react when someone starts checkout, but does not complete it. This template choice matters because it sets up the foundation for your abandoned cart strategy. A well-designed flow helps you reach customers at the right moments, rather than sending messages too early, too late, or inconsistently. By starting from the standard template, you are aligning with a structure that is meant to reduce abandonment and improve conversions. Once the template is loaded and you see the flow draft on screen, you are ready for the next part of your setup process. You have already done the most important initial action. You selected the correct flow type and template for abandoned carts. From here, you can review settings and adjust the details to fit your store's brand and offers. And because we are focusing on the specific setup steps shown in this tutorial, at this point you have completed the core setup entry. You went to Flows, created a new flow, searched for abandoned cart, and selected the standard template card. That is the point where Klaviyo begins generating an abandoned cart automation you can customize. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.